I am giving a variable corpus, and these are the 4 sentences which have repeated and unrepeated words. Let's initialize a vectorizer, that is nothing but TS-IDF vectorizer, whichever we earlier decided. Here x is x is nothing but the converted vectors by fitting the TF-IDF vectorizer model. Let us see how the features are names. There are unique names. Means and document first. If these all words are unique. Let us see how the features and here x is showing that 0, 1 means in a zeroth index there is a sentence and the first word has a vector with a 0.69. This is the vector value of the first word in the 0th sentence, because the words may repeat or not repeat. There are only 5 words in the first sentence, so there are 5 zeros and the respective words have their respective index. In this way you can relate. Coming to cosine similarity. Here cosine similarity is nothing but sigma of x1 x1 y1 by mod of x1 y1. In this way we can calculate this. The cosine similarity is says that if the two vectors are closer to each other, then they both have relatability, more relatable, that they both have same meaning. This is the cosine similarity we are using. We are bought class, the self bought